He came with a disc, like, nigga, I shot by. But sis got shot, he got shot. He ain't do shit, but he sucked mine. Like with a ball, they ain't look. Tryna go with the blocks, start waving it. Like,
bow, bow, bow. Like, he came with a disc, like, nigga got shot by a bitch. His sis got shot, he got shot. He ain't do shit, but he sucking my dick. Like with a ball, they ain't the clip. Tryna go with the blocks, start waving the stick. Nigga do bad, but he dropping my ass for the ball. Had the G's in the spot with his bitch. Like, they wanna rap. They better ask how I get on the match. Pop, beat, fizzy, flat. He can't shot. Hoes back. Like with a ball, was shooting at you. Reload shot. Get out the stool. We was just on the hill trying to bug off a new tape. Be on my side trying to bug off a cool. Do the little pops. Take your man pops. Like, them niggas both in the air. His sis got shot. He caught a wedgie. Like, he still acting like he don't care. Pop, pop. What? Nigga was dunking. Like, we had him dunking his mouth. Shot got shot. Why they tucking? B.O.Q with a boy, that's a bucket. O.I.K. J.O. slack. And then he then I was smoking that hat. Now he snaps and ripped through his back. Ain't no booth for the focus I had. Fake face on booth. Quad 2. Like, they know to be smoking.
Yo, what's the word, dude, man? What's the word? I've been blessed. I'm blessed. Damn, that shit OD love. I'm blessed. Yeah, I'm blessed, dude, man. Nah, that goes. Damn.
Remix all with the rest. BJ Tino, we smoking me. Like Bino, TJ, we smoking me. He came with a disc. Like, nigga got shot by a bitch. His sis got shot. He got shot. He ain't do shit, but he sucking my dick. Like, with a ball, the aim to the dick. The block start waving a stick. Nigga do bad, but he dropping my ass for the ball. The G's in the spot with his bitch. Bow, bow.
my apps, nigga, never creep. Nigga, word of my dad, nigga. Y'all shit, I don't get shot. All y'all niggas suck my dick. I don't know y'all niggas. Word of my dad, nigga.
Alright. Better play some trash shit. They're about to play some trash shit. I haven't been on here bumping music in forever. So I literally, the same shit I was doing before, I gotta do it now. I gotta find music. But it's good. I'm better at my decision making now. But anyways.
And now I wake up in the morning, I pop me a purple for brushing my teeth. And I ain't gonna say that it's cool though, but nigga, that's just how I be. And now I wake up in the morning, I pop me a purple for brushing my teeth. And I ain't gonna say that it's cool though, but nigga, that's just how I be. You can't walk up out of my shoes, little nigga. You could just never be me. When I'm my dad, I'll get my shoes right now. I bet you can't take all this heat, nigga. Like, I'ma just roll me a blunt.
Y'all see that? Oh, y'all don't see it.
So I feel like I got the one up.
I'm trying to install this update.
Like, I want them to think go run up. And Billy said don't come around with that flirt shit. We turn the niggas to come up. Like, I bet he won't come this way. Now I can tell that she overly gone. The way she just look my way. Look. Like, don't you got a man or son? Look, don't even worry, I'ma keep it.
Yo, I've been back in my sports betting vibe. No cat, it's been a movie.
I just looked at my watch, I got time today, I'ma pour up a Sprite. I could treat every day like a holiday.
I wish you could watch it like that on stream. I'ma figure it out.
The bitch ain't got no life. Like, might as well do it for money.
Yeah.
Puss out, ho.
Puss out, ho.
No, I ain't no dummy. And we never did none that good like shit.
Hold on.
Like, nigga, I'm none of you. And I don't need nobody but
I heard that shit so low.
I wake up in the morning, I pop me a purple for brushing my teeth. And I ain't gonna say that it's cool though, but nigga,
that's just how I be.
You can't walk up out of my shoes, little nigga. You could just never be me. When I'm my dad, I'll get my shoes right now. I bet you can't take all the heat, nigga. Like, I'ma just roll me a blunt up. And most of my options that in jail, so I feel like I got to run up. Like, I want the thing go run up. And BG said don't come around with that play shit. We tryna niggas to come up. Like, I bet he won't come this way. I could tell like she overly going. The way she just look this way. Like, thought you got a man or son. Don't even worry, I'ma keep it beat. I bet he won't hear about nothing. She like think that you still got your teeth. Like, what? I look like you chewing on ice. I just looked at my watch out there. I got time today. I'ma pour up a Sprite. Yeah, I could treat every day like a holiday. Every day I could put on some mic. Every day she wanna start up an argument. I think that bitch don't like with a club, the fuck. The bitch ain't got no love. Nigga, might as well do it for money. Yeah, cannot call me a muddy. Look, never did none of that real life shit, so you cannot call me a muddy, nigga.
Yeah, but anyways. How long have I been going? Let me stop this. I think it's probably been like 2 months. Like, I've been gone. Alright, yeah. I've only been gone for like a month and some change. It was about to be 2 months. I'm glad I sparked my stream now. Last time my stream was February 14th. I want to say that's valid. You know when you rusty at this shit, so you gotta figure out all your little shit. I think it's this one. Nope, this one. Oh, boom. February 14th. I don't really got no story. I don't really give a fuck. I just took a break. I stepped away. I don't know, roleplay, like, just keep it a buck. Not trying to put no story. Roleplay for me just wasn't what I wanted it to be. I ain't gonna lie. I put in a lot of work for J5, and then the story just died, and then all my new storylines, I was not trying to grind for fucking entertainment, in my opinion. I was trying to have a storyline for content, if that makes sense. I'm not trying to wake up and fucking fly in to go pick potatoes. Go garden, you know? Like, that shit corny, bro. That shit mad corny, gang. That shit just, you know. You know what I'm saying? To each his own. Everybody grinding on the stream. They all my brothers. Love them. But, like, I really turned my stream on because I just wanted to talk to somebody. It sounds crazy, but it's like streaming brought me closer to myself and closer to people that I wanted to be around with naturally. I fuck with being live, but being live here isn't the same anymore. Like, I'm finna move out. Niggas are single. I want a new space. So everybody asking why I'm not streaming. When am I gonna get back on stream? When am I gonna RP? Woo woo woo. Don't worry about it, bro. It's gonna happen when it happen, nigga. It's gonna happen when it happen. I ain't forcing shit. But today I just wanted to like that's really talk. Put some energy out for myself for my initial dreams at the end of the day, because these are my initial dreams. I like making money from my setup. I want to invest my money into my setup, however that looks, and then start there and make more business plans. But yeah, at the end of the day, I just came to stream because I wanted to talk to people. I wanted to be around niggas. I ain't been around my fucking computer for real. I started getting back on it. And then today I told myself I wanted to stream, so I was like, alright, but let me just stream. But yeah, this is not going to be a long stream. It's gonna be something I can post on YouTube real quick. My goal with my streams is that I'm trying to get my shit on YouTube, get smaller forms of my like content life, and then bring it out there slowly. I know it sounds like it's impossible, but like to me, I'm realizing it's a lot easier than I make it out to be. I just need to put in the work that I don't want to put, which is like a good example. Like right now, boom, I just made a clip. I be mad lazy, grabbing my clip, and then putting it in Telegram. But I need to just start living in that lifestyle. No kids there. Because the more I could do that, the easier it could be. Like right now, boom, I just remuxed it. This is something that was always like an issue to me because I was like, damn, I'm making all these clips but I can't send them. Now I can send them. Just, I've been lazy. First, so. Yeah. Anyways, show stream. I really just wanted to fucking trade a little bit, get on my YouTube, and then get on Discord for a little bit, see who was, see who won, and then boom, and yeah, that's really that. I ain't gonna come back to streaming until I'm ready. And being in this environment or this apartment, I'm not with it, man. This shit is trash. So yeah. With fucking day trading. I know y'all can still do that, right? I don't want to. I mean, if I could show it, but like, I still got 5M and stuff. It's not like I left. I plan on coming down. If I'm being honest, I fuck with like like the best way to put it. I fuck with the initial vibe of what GTA RP is for. I think there's an escape when I fuck with that shit. Yeah. Anyways, quick with day trading. Go to the daily time frame, reset your chart. Don't worry about all these drawings. I might remove these soon, but I'm not worried about it right now. Take in consideration of the trend that we're on right now to get an indication of what the lower time frame trend is. Made a high, higher low, lower high, lower low. What do you think of that? It's potentially trying to form either a lower high, it's retesting, you go to the 4-hour time frame. You see price, you see on the 4-hour time frame, price has that low, same structure, which is important because it's flowing with the daily time frame, which means boom, you don't need to be on the daily time frame just to help your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Daily time frame, you see price made this low. I caught the sell position, but I left around here. I didn't take this. This was just a volume that I just missed out on honestly. But on the retest, take into consideration that when price made this lower high, it made it above a new high. You might say, oh, this isn't a high, just go to a lower time frame. Notice the trend. Price came making a low, started retesting. Made a high, sold, and broke above. So you already can tell this is the highest point in the market. So you're just telling yourself, back to the 4 hours, new high, retest, or, you know what I'm saying? New high, correction. I can see that. You know what I'm saying? The shit that is always in the trading. For me right now, I didn't catch this buy trade. I think it's Aaron DMs. Who's Aaron DMs? What are you talking about? You just be saying anything. I DM'd you like last one. What's up? Yeah, see if it's on Discord, that makes sense. I haven't been on Discord in a while. Oh, yeah, I don't see it. And I'm in 2 months ago. No, it's probably further away, but I don't see it. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm sturdy. Yeah, I'm not going back to RP. No, I'm good. But anyways, a good method when you miss the first trade, which is really cool, is that this purple is showing you where a lot of people are in the market right now. that part of the market is closed. So when the new market opens, price could retest down here and then continue above, simply because we're in an uptrend momentum here. We're not in a downtrend vibe. We're out of session. Price is trying to retest and all this other shit. So my main goal for this conversation is that I just want to see if price can retest or just make more bullish indications, meaning a higher low. Price can make a higher low. I'll essentially take this buy and just call the way up. And that's really that. When it comes to gold, gold is super simple for me because it's easy to identify the trend on gold. Because gold is always telling you what's going on in the economy as a whole. Now, if I go to SPY, I think it's gonna stop. Yeah. If I go to SPY, I don't know. I like to live on the daily time frame of SPY. Seeing a little mad. Price broke this level. You see where the line is. Price broke it. Notice that price is coming back up, but it closed under this level. It like closed session. You know what I'm saying? Where most people are at buying it closed. So the only thing that's tricky about stocks is that you can't really see what it's doing um in the near term. Because people like to say like, oh, price is closed, it's not doing nothing, but it's definitely doing something when price is closed. But it just sucks that you can't really be a part of it for real besides looking at daily. So the best bet for me is that I live in price action. So the best way to put it is that we could just start from here because I like to go zone to zone. Price came to make a high above this zone and then sold under. Came to make a high above the zone, but it wasn't higher than this one. So it made lower highs and started testing those zones. What do you think price is going to do? And before you even say that, you have to just remind yourself that if we want price to sell, that means we actually want to see a lower high. So if we want to see a lower high, we need to tell ourselves where is the highest point in the market price can go to that still shows that we are in a bearish market, meaning the market is going down. It's here and here. Initially, you could say here, but you'd say here and here. Simply because those are the two closest lower highs to where price is at. So you're just telling yourself, yeah, price can come up here. I'm not worried about missing this little movement. But if price fails to continue to move above these levels, tell yourself that, okay, all right, where is the last level in this area where buyers had control? If you're above this zone, you're going to say here. So you're just going to tell yourself you want to see bearish reaction under, or it's treating it like that. And the best example to put it is like it's like this level right here. Treated as a support, so it bought, but then when it came back, it went right through it, giving you indication that support is not here, it's a resistance level. Not trying to overcomplicate shit. Just compare that to this is a resistance level. So if price does stay under it, just take the sell and get ready for price to go here because this is where the last buyers are. And price is always gonna rotate between buying and selling levels. You can see it in the market. It does it all the time. Buying level, selling level. Buying level, failed to go to the selling level. Buying level, broke it. Now it's a selling level. Selling level, 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 buy level. Buy level, right? Clear buy level. Price at a lower high, failed to continue. Price at a new high, failed, made a lower high. Now we're back to the easiest. I don't want to say the easiest, but the best way to understand what you're looking for right here is that you either want to see price make bearish momentum under, break, retest, and take that move. Right? Or Price come up here, probably plan around, fail into break, lower high, and you're taking the trade if price goes under this level to this zone. Because you know where the next level of buyers are. And that's really it to simplify. Like I said, this is going to be a short stream. My goal is to just put this on YouTube. I ain't tripping too much. And yeah. With trading, I just want to do what I want to do for trading. I don't want to put no goal on it. I just want to turn my stream on and just do what I'm doing for trading. And then just go from there. I think more structure will be made once I just get that consistency. But yeah, that's really it for trading. I don't want to do too much. I don't even want to do that long.
I think I gotta take another shot.
Yeah, let's go play around with Discord for a little bit. Check on Twitch. And then I'll make it a party. Oh shit, hold on, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Tryna get the fucking or whatnot. I ain't with the fussing or whatnot. Tryna have you cussing or whatnot. I'm tripping on the yacht. 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 She on pussy up, I'm on hot. No, you cannot spin this block. Are you feeling good to take another shot? Cause you know it's going down in the spots. I just put 100,000 on a watch. I'm 4 nuts and it's only 12 o'clock. By 2 a.m. I drop that bitch off on Foch. By 3 a.m. I had another one, I'm shot. The way that I shaking got me on rock. I hate a bitch that is bad but it's popped. My new bitch Jamaican, she love the top. And then on her pimp, she is throwing up rock. I think I gotta take another shot. I think I fell in love with a thought. The dog holding y'all got me hot. I think I'm busting or whatnot. I think I'm busting or whatnot. Tryna get the fucking or whatnot. I ain't with the fussing or whatnot. Tryna have you cussing or whatnot. I'm tripping on the yacht. 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 Please don't tell me that you're free from where you're not. Baby, that pussy super wet, I need a mop, yeah. Baby, I think it's time to take another shot. I feel the drugs kicking in right now. Right now. We have way better sex on our Percocet. We have way better sex on our Percocet. Yeah, private party in Miami where your friends at. If you're pretty and sedated, you a bad bitch. Yeah, I'm tripping on a yacht. It's shot at o'clock, I don't need a watch. Big pop, baby, make that pussy pop. Make it pop, make it pop. I'm making sloppy toppy on a yacht. I think I love you or whatnot. I've been tripping, I'm tripping on a yacht. On a yacht, on a yacht. I'm tripping. I'm off a swoon, I don't know if I'm tripping or not. She said, Cash, you so different. Yeah, I be slizzing, you never catch me slipping, I'm not. The dog, I be glitching. I'm trying to get into wherever I fit in or not. Cause I'm like, are we ripping or not? Do that shit that's over ripping or not? Tryna know if I should kiss it or not. Like, let me know if I should lick it or not. Like, are we done, am I gon' miss it or not? I'm tryna see if there's a difference or not. Like, you the baddest bitch in the spot. Keep looking, you're making me hot. Yeah, I think I gotta take another shot. 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 Yeah, I think I gotta take it up a notch. I think I gotta take it up a, like, whoa. I think I gotta take it up a notch. I think I gotta take it up a notch. Yeah.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Come on, brown skin, tatted up, she don't fuck around. Bad bitch, pretty face, with a bust down. She Miss Perkins with Patron, she ain't from uptown. That ass do cheat code, left, right, up, down. I don't even want that pussy, little hoe give me a straight jaw. Beat from the back, I'm pulling her tracks, I dare not pull her lace off. Rich young crack, I don't run around with some paper on me. She a hood bitch, she run around with a K on me. She miss the ass right with the Don, I call her sexy red. She like to play around with that ass, get freak, I call them sexy man. So the hold of me in my house, she eat it, call that sexy head. I'm outside looking for the hoe, bitch ain't that what sexy said? I don't even know no job, but I stay with that Drake. I don't know Nicki Minaj, but I stay with that Drake. ARP's a cake, counting some monkey nuts. She need a perk to take the dick, this hoe a junkie slut. So the whole tutor her, I'm booted her off a double stack. The way we did they dog, know they ass ain't gon' double back. I caught my shooter, baby Drake, before I ice my neck. Don't let me drop a bag, you know liberal like a check. I might call him Nike, boy that perk it biting. Beat that bitch back in, now he wanna fight me. Neck and wrist so icy, chain hit like lightning. I love me some chocolate, I ain't talking about ice cream. Brown skin, tatted up, she don't fuck around. Bad bitch, pretty face, with a bust down. She Miss Perkins with Patron, she ain't from uptown. That ass do cheat code, left, right, up, down. I don't even want that pussy, little hoe give me a straight jaw. Beat from the back, I'm pulling her tracks, I dare not pull her lace off. Rich young crack, I don't run around with some paper on me. She a hood bitch, she run around with a K on me.
Babe, you pretty, I just wanna see that pussy in a porn. She my type, I just wanna fuck a night, lil' bruh, she yours. Deep throater, bad soda, pussy fantastic, super soft. When she walk, I be staring at it. Getting money, best thing I done did, ain't gon' lie. Take too long looking at my wrist, it might hurt your eyes. Gangsta bitch wanna hold that 5, chill, baby, just ride. Just chill, bitch. You wanna change your life, the rich niggas outside. You can't afford me a rug rag, you got $1,900. I gotta have her. Ass natural, got it from my mama. Where you going? Put my number in your phone, baby. All that ass in them jeans, how you put them on, baby?
Brown skin, tatted up, she don't fuck around. Bad bitch, pretty face, with a bust down. She Miss Perkins with Patron, she ain't from uptown. That ass do cheat code, left, right, up, down. I don't even want that pussy, little hoe give me a straight jaw. Beat from the back, I'm pulling her tracks, I dare not pull her lace off. Rich young crack, I don't run around with some paper on me. She a hood bitch, she run around with a K on me.
I know what you will be doing in here. You want me to stay till the morning. I know just what you be doing in here. You call me whenever you're horny. Let me come through it, come do it in here. I'm going. Okay, and I love how you doing it. Take it down each time I'm screwing it. Oh, okay, and I'm loving your face. Fuck you good, put you in your place. Lamborghini Storado, speeding off. Getting here while I'm driving, I'm geeking off. Oh my God, you move like a reaper, huh? She a bad little jump, better keep her on. Sipping lean into the like a woman. Talking game to the bitch like a poet. Let's enjoy the way down to the toilet. We been up on you hoes and you know it. Sipping lean into like a woman. Talking game to the bitch like a poet. Let's enjoy the way down to the toilet. We been up on you hoes and you know it. Me, my pretty, my 30s, cause I be fiending. And I'm way in the clouds when I'm cutting dreaming. Get that pussy to me, don't be born. And I'm diving inside to the money. And I ran up on time, made that switch singing. And I'm planning that pussy until she creaming. I want jump in that coupe, it ain't foreign. I sold out every show when I'm torn. I ain't giving up. See, I went in so back it from there to the top, we gon' live it up. That's your man started talking and tweeting and speaking, go pick him up. And that line go so fast to the dash when I drop, make it giddy up. I just not good with me, I'm from something. Girl, I love how you ride like a pony. Get that switch on my lap like I'm Tony. She get naughty from me when we low. Show me what you wanna do, baby, love it when you ride it on. I know what that shit you do, so baby, don't no talk, you got me shown. Okay, and I love how you doing it. Take it down each time I'm screwing it. Okay, and I'm loving your face. Fuck you good, put you in your place. Lamborghini Storado, I'm speeding off. Getting here while I'm driving, I'm geeking off. Oh my god, you move like a reaper, huh? She a bad little jump, better keep her on. Sipping lean into the like one money. Talking gang to the bitch like a party. Let some drugs way down to the toilet. We been up on you hoes and you know it. Sipping lean into the like one money. Talking gang to the bitch like a party. Let some drugs way down to the toilet. We been up on you hoes and you know it.
Jelly on that. Cap, like, it's time that I bring up the crime rate. So I was laying in comments, so this is app going off on vibrate. Like, brother, this backwards guy had tap shit, felt like a migrant. Free bro, we maneuver on scooters and drill, get lost, should be happy.
That shit took too long.
Oh, yeah,
I don't even wanna
tap on your tummy. Oh, yeah, hey, tap on your tummy like you really hungry. Casey, RG, loafers, higher in the school, no gun niggas dummies. Shot rap about CJ, I ain't through, took on a hop, jump, bungee. Let's make a side bet on who most likely to down it. The next time they come through, spinning my projects like J-How, LC, 5X. With a bro, we can make us a contest. 3-point shot right after the side step. 3 ops die and bro still alive. Bet.
My goal is to.
We never put hands on the ladies. Can someone please tell me what happened to Casey? How you punch on the female? I'ma get into details. Like how you rap on these beats, like you crazy. RG,
Bro, I just want some. I feel like there's been nothing dropping, and then when I say shit like that, people will show me that there's shit dropping. Look, oh yeah, I didn't even know. I'm streaming nothing dropping. And when I say shit like that, it tells. Show me that there's shit dropping. Look, oh yeah, I didn't even know. I'm streaming nothing dropping. Already watched this. Yo, I actually cannot believe I watched that without you, niggas. That's crazy. Most definitely watched that without you, niggas. It didn't even show me.
Hey, bro. I think I'm the first nigga to bring a flamethrower to their hood. I just did that shit. I'm finna show y'all how it went. Nah, you know how they be on. I'm recording better rap one time. Got a stick out. If you do record him, just let him put the stick on. But I would say free, bro.
I'm just guessing something right now.
I never meant to fall out of love with you because I truly did love you. I still do. But not in the same way. Not in a way that would make it fair for me to say I'm sorry things couldn't stay the same. Maybe we can be friends again someday. One day. But anyway, I was just calling to say that I hope you're okay.
I was really looking for Drake to be on the beat, but it's cool. I did a lot for I'm really going through, you know? But I remember all them days when I'm living in the lifestyle that I'm now. You just be hating on me. Came from the Boston. Niggas really talk about they wanna live my life without the niggas. All of everything I have, but it wasn't even allowed. That's what hit me. Look at this trip about. They living off a dream like they thought they did. They living off a dream like that not that shit. Gotta understand that it's time to move on. That shit was. I don't know. It was my bad, but let me. I'll show y'all what I've been bumping lately on YouTube. So this one's my favorite. I think this was my favorite. This is what I've been thinking about starting my stream with. Cause imagine I do, bro. Alright, let me show y'all. This is what I want to start my stream with. Imagine I start my stream like this. Yup, scandalous. You hear it? other, well, not a better one, but a vibey one.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap, pussy, and we throw. And I know them niggas mad as fuck.
Before we end the stream, I want to do a quick little Discord call, see what's been going on. I know I cannot play shit like this. I promise I'll play all that. Let's jump in. Remember there was this feature where you could like might be on my phone. Notice how when I decided to do this shit? Yo.
What's in that bag?
Yo.
Help me.
Yo. What the fuck? I can't even talk. It's not registering my voice. Yo. Can y'all hear me now? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that makes so much sense. 5, 6. Oh my god, I wonder how it sounded to all 5, 6, 7. Yo.
It's the fucking rental, you mom. It's a fucking madam. The fucking man is on you, gang.
Why you so
the fucking
loud,
man is.
Dizzy? Like, why are you so loud, Dizzy? What's up?
That's not who I think it is. What the fuck?
You been on Demon?
He talking about how long have you speak to him? Hold on. What up? Hold on, cause I know that's not the person.
No, you know it. You know who it.
That's Pell. Yo, Pell, where the fuck you been at, gang?
Shit, I've been just away from the PC, right? Over.
You bought a PC for no reason.
Stop playing.
Don't me that shit.
Stop playing.
Yo, what you been up to, gang? What you been doing? What you been working or something?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, basically that. That's where to put it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where to put it. What you been on? You been sturdy?
Yeah, I've been chilling. Ain't gonna lie, my account got suspended on some dumb shit, gang.
That's what you get.
I think somebody, huh?
So that's what you get.
Fuck off, pussy. Ooh, dude.
You slaving on?
Yo,
D10
baby,
over
out of
there?
what?
You slaving on D10? Over there picking up.
Come on, babe.
Picking up
I thought we was together. What happened? Who this nigga in the front?
Oh yeah, this nigga.
Oh, this is a Brit. This a Brit right here. I'll turn you English. Stop playing with me. You the one who keep fucking driving. Can you stop the car, bitch? Fuck. You sped or something?
Hold on, I'll be right back. Yo, I've always wanted to, but this should only be active in the morning. Hi. That's my bro shit. This should only active in the morning. Yeah, I just wanted to jump around before I end. I'm not trying to play no games. What did you set this for? Yeah, that's pretty dead right now. As always. Right. Bro, I should have streamed the fight for y'all, but like by the time I'm not gonna lie, I'll keep it a buck. By the time I realized like yo, I should be streaming this, the fight was over. The fight was over. There was some other shit going on. No cap. That shit was hilarious. Look at this plan. I ain't finna say nothing. What kind of shit?
But I just got rid of something.
Oh, it's a plague. That's a plague.
Oh, hell no. I'm for the DC.
That's a plague. Please do not cleanse unless you are on death hook. Please. And of course, I'm the first one to get sick.
It's overly quiet.
Entropy.
I've been watching him a lot. Right?
Yeah,
Whoa, what's his deal?
What's his deal? He saved a Metro with no activation fees. Got one line of unlimited 5G for $25 a month. And the best network. And taxes and fees included. And a 5-year price guarantee. And keep the phone you love. Get that more for your money feeling. Only at Metro.
Bro, 30 more seconds? To be honest with you, I can't. Like, gig, I can't. Right now for the demos, this is like demo stream. I'm about to end right now, and I'm gonna do an outro. That's not the outro that I want.